How to manage custom tokens in Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issues to manage custom tokens in your Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To manage custom tokens in your Zengo wallet, first of all, open the app and unlock it using a Face ID or PIN. From the home screen, tap on the Wallet tab to view your current token list. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Manage Tokens or the setting icon gear symbol. Then choose the Add Custom Tokens option. You'll see the paste the contract address of the token you want to add, and the app will automatically paste the token's name, symbol, and decimal details. Double check the information, then tap Add Token to include it in your wallet view section. Find the token you want to hide and toggle it off. Tap Remove. This keeps your wallet clean and focus on token you use. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna manage custom tokens in Zengo wallet. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.